Hey guys, today we have a package from Popular Boxes HK and it arrived so quickly. I ordered it about 9 days ago and it's already at my doorstep from Hong Kong, so that's pretty great service. Inside we have a few purchase items, and I also ordered a Cafe Dien grab bag, which is new, so I'm really excited to see what's inside that. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside. I think you can maybe sneak a peek at a couple of the purchase items. So the first item is this Love Strawberry Watermelon, and it is so cute. I have actually purchased one of these before. I had wanted to order the pink one before, and they accidentally sent me the red one, which was also still really cute. But I did want to get the pink one, so it is pretty gorgeous. And I love how everything came in a box this time, so that nothing's like, damaged or wrinkled or anything like that. Isn't that a great squishy? It's like really big. It's not scented, it's just got kind of like that generic squishy scent. But look at the detail, isn't it just so beautiful? I love this one. The next item is this Koi the Cactus, and it's a mini. And it's so cute. This one's the angry one. And look at the beautiful charm that it comes with. It's a little sun, happy sun. And that is adorable. I will take it out of the packaging. And I just took a little peek inside, and I don't think the grab bag is actually in a blind bag. It's in a clear bag, so that kind of takes away the suspense, but it's still exciting. And I think it actually wasn't just Cafe Dien, it was just kind of like a small squishy grab bag, if I remember correctly. This one's really fun. I'm not sure what the scent is, but it's really cute. So this is by Momo Puppy, and I really like the packaging. I like that the chain is on the side like this, and you can open it up without having to worry about taking apart the chain. Most squishies you have to do that, so I really like the packaging on this. And the next one is the Happy Koi Cactus, and this one comes with a little raindrop. So yeah, even just the design of the packaging, like the aesthetic, is really appealing. I like it. It says, "My torn will grow up soon. Hurry, adopt, and squish me." Maybe that one was the same. Yeah. So this is a really great squishy. And I follow Momo Puppy on Instagram, and they just have like the best pictures and the best feed. So this one has kind of almost a pearlescent look to it. I guess they both do, but I don't know, it looks shinier for some reason. So this one's a little bit like more of a happy cactus, and this one's like all angry and bitter. Actually, this one smells almost like soap. Whereas this one, I don't know, it smells like almost like a bag of chips or something. I don't know what that scent is. It's so funny. Here is our grab bag. It contains 10 small squishies, and I think it was $50 or $40? $40 for 10 squishies, so it works out to $4 a piece. And from what I can see so far, it looks like a pretty awesome deal. I do see one double, but that is expected when you get grab bags. And if you watch my channel, you do know that when I do get duplicates, I will end up usually giving them away, either to a friend or maybe for a giveaway. So if there are duplicates in here, they may be included in the future giveaway. So I actually just opened the bag and I'm just keeping it off to the side now so I can still kind of make it a surprise for myself, even though it is a clear bag. So the first one is this Pico Squishy mascot, which is super cute, and I don't have this one. And it's super soft. And here it is. It's kind of funny. It's got a little face on like a cake roll. And the licensing says Fujiya Company 2018. And it's a great squishy. It's really soft. It's a nice size. And this just kind of has generic scent. Oh, I think I'm going to have quite a few duplicates actually. So the second one is this, I think it's Doraemon Toast Squishy. And I'm pretty sure I have this one already, so maybe I will go grab the one I have to show you. I actually just checked, and the one I have is slightly different. So it actually isn't a duplicate, it's a variation. So I will open this for you. By Nick. And just from first glance, I'm thinking this is a really great grab bag for the value and the quality of the squishies. And it came so quickly. Like, I just ordered this and I didn't expect it to come so quickly. So it looks exactly like a slice of bread, and it's got some writing on the back, and it's got a picture on the front. And yeah, I think I have one. Here's the one that I have. So the front looks exactly the same, but then the back has like different writing on it. So I'm happy that it's not a double. This one I am pretty sure is a double, which is unfortunate because I only have, I think, one of this fish. Or maybe it's not the same one. I'm gonna have to check it again. I think it's the same one though. I only have one of this fish, and actually I think it might be different. The one I have is also in a pink color, but I think mine is more of like a silvery pink color, so let me double check. So yeah, the one I was thinking of was a Mother Garden Squishy, which is completely different. It's a light pink, it's really small, and so I don't have this one. It just looked really familiar. I think I've seen a lot of photos of this one on Instagram. And obviously my collection is getting quite big if I can't recognize whether a squishy is a double or not. So here it is. It's really pretty. Oh, it's like so weird. It's like missing a chunk out of it. I guess it's supposed to show that to show like the inside, which is maybe like a red bean or something inside. It's kind of disturbing actually. But it's a really nice squishy. It's quite realistic. far we're not doing too bad. We're 3 for 3 brand new ones. Okay, this one is a double. At first I thought it was a new one. But this is a Sanrio mascot. And it's Tuxedo Sam. And I won't take it out of the packaging, but it is really cute. And yeah, this is what I was talking about. Usually squishies have this chain, and if you want to take it out of the packaging, then you need to remove the chain. But this is a really great squishy, and so this will definitely probably be going in a future giveaway. Pretty sure I saw another one of those in here somewhere. Ooh, here is a nice donut by Cafe Dien. And I think I did get one of these recently in a squishy shop grab bag, but it was a different color. So yeah, this is really gorgeous. So I've actually taken it out of the packaging so I can show you the squishy. There's the tag. And so we can squish it. So it's actually textured, so you can actually feel like this little drizzle of, you know, of like caramel or whatever it's supposed to be on top of the icing. And there's the licensing. And it just feels really great. Like it feels like you're squishing an actual donut. So the next item is another double. It's a Hello Kitty mascot. And these are really cute. I ordered mine from modesforyou.com. And yeah, they're a really great squishy, so I'll be happy to include these in a future giveaway. Sometimes these have been going into some birthday presents as well, because they make really great birthday presents, you know. So here is another one. And this one looks a little familiar. I think this one might be the one I have, so let me double check. It turned out that I didn't have this one either. I had a completely different, like larger polka dot donut that looks nothing like this, but because it looks so familiar, I thought maybe we had it in our collection. I really love the feel of these donuts. It feels like so soft and realistic. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 3 more to go. 2 of them were doubles. Ooh, cute. It's another Pico-chan one. And this one is like a little mug of, I don't know, juice maybe? And she's holding a birthday cake. And I love this character. She is so adorable. And yeah, this one's tied to a chain too, so I think I'll just leave this one in the packaging. I got 2 more items, I think. Ooh. Ooh, nice. This is from Halloween Party. It's also by Nick. And it is a gorgeous little like cream puff in like really vibrant Halloween colors. It's awesome. And very appropriate now that Halloween's coming up. That is so cute. For one last item, and I'm pretty sure this one might be a double. Oh, and it's not. Yay! I thought it was the Onigiri series, which I have, because the packaging is very similar, but it's actually the omelet series, which I do not have any of. And yeah, much more of a fan. Like, I know a lot of people maybe don't take out their squishies, but I like to take them out, so I really like this kind of packaging better. I can pull it out without having to deal with like the chains and stuff. Because I don't know about you, but who really uses chains on squishies anymore? Like, are we really hanging them off our keychains or our keys or like our cell phones or whatever? This one feels really nice. So it's like a little omelet. I don't know the character's name, so if you know the character's name, let me know in the comments. And this is 2018 Sanex. So these are all very new squishies. And they're all like squishies that I would love to get. So they're either Pico-chan, Sanrio, Sanex, Cafe Dien. They're all really nice brands. And so if you like small squishies, then I would highly recommend this $40 grab bag. Because with 10 squishies inside, you're basically just paying $4 per squishy, which is really a great deal because these are probably more like 10 at least, right? At regular price. Can't stop squishing this one. So that is our squishy package. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments. Was it worth $40? Do you like the watermelon? Do you like the little koi cactus buddies? Because they're really cute and I love them. Tell me if you like to shop at Popular Boxes HK. I'm really happy with this package. I've had some issues in the past where they come like in a bag as opposed to a box, and they get a little bit squished. And I had one, I think Poly Squishy that was really like defected on the face, and I don't know if it was because of the mail or whatever, but they were really nice about it when I contacted them, and they offered me like a partial refund. So I am very happy with their service in general, and yeah, the shipping is super fast. So thanks so much for watching. If you would like a shout out in a future video, please like this video, subscribe, and comment down below with the hashtag TinyLove. Thanks guys.